What up, everybody? My name is Reynaldo, and you're watching Reynamations, another video from a long list of videos of 15-minute drawing. 15-minute drawings every day. I took off my headset because I just don't want to have it on. Anyways, thank y'all for joining me, and let's get started. Just today, I did a drawing of a man that was a construction worker. Today I'm gonna be doing a female that's a construction worker. I'll probably be going on with the series, or maybe tomorrow I'll draw like some sort of animal. You guys can decide for me, or I just decide for myself, or just draw something random, even like a building or a table or something. Like tables are really simple. You just do perspective. I'm gonna do, let's say, 3 point, no, 2 points. Yeah, 2 point perspective. I lock it in, that sort of thing. And you can see I already did like a pre-sketch of something. That's just warm-ups. So you could do, like, let's say I do a table. Do a table like that, and then I want the table to go far back, and then it's gonna be like a desk. So it's gonna have something like this, maybe over here, shelves. What else? The little handles. That you actually have to zoom in sometimes, because it doesn't really register it. And go far back. Let's say that this line was going across, so it pretty much ends somewhere here. And then this would be that. This would be going down. I think it will be, oh, if that goes down, then this will be the back end of this, and then that goes like that. This will be kind of thick. I want the wood to be thick, that sort of thing. It's really simple, and just like this, I already got like a rough sketch of a desk. I can actually make it thinner. I don't want it to be too thick, and put some things in the background if I wanted to. You can draw really quick things in Sketchbook Pro, which I don't understand why a lot of people don't take advantage of this sort of thing. Anyways, let's get started with the drawing. It's gonna be a quick drawing of a girl, a woman that does construction. So let's get started with that. What sort of position should I have her in? Oh, and also let's have the timer. Let's say that's video for Tuesday. It is Tuesday for me. I'm not sure what day it is for you guys, but you guys could give it down in the description, in the comments down below. What day is it for you, if you want to, or you could tell me what you really like to. What was your favorite part of the video? Hopefully you stay tuned to the very end and see the results. I mean, if you haven't seen it already in the thumbnail. Okay, let's get started. And I'm gonna do a quick drawing. Normally I use a different color, but this time around I won't be using that different color. Let's see, make it big. I want the female to have like a body, kind of like, let's say that she is doing a basic pose. It's her body, it's her head. Draw a circle like that. Body goes down like that, and then hips. Not all bodies are like this. I'm just drawing it like this because I want to, and it makes it a lot easier to break it down into simple shapes. Or if I go and then make it into some sort of square or rectangle, in a sense, it also helps the form. Okay, and obviously circles here. It's kind of like staring straight at us. Maybe I could draw her looking to the side. nose area. Mouth area will be not so far away from the nose. The nose will be kind of lower actually, because the last guy that we did had like a nice big nose. So let's say she has a big nose also. This would be her mouth area right here. Her lips would be kind of be more noticeable. I don't want them to be too big though. I want them to be kind of averagely sized. What else? Oh, yeah. You can already tell it's female just by it having the female proportions. Well, it's not like females all have the same proportions, as letting you guys know. I'm not trying to sound kind of rude or anything like that. But it's just basic proportions, and you can already tell it's like a female body. And she's not gonna have much breasts, because I don't feel like going into details with the breasts and everything like that. But I will be drawing everything else. Say something like that. And she's gonna be faced, since her head's facing this way, that means her body's gonna be facing this way also. And this should be more twisted. Let's pretend that these are lines dividing it, so it'll be opposite directions always. And so it's kind of like that. She has breasts, not so much. Okay, and what else? And I'll turn down the opacity because I don't feel like seeing it so much. How much time we have? Oh, but by the way, you guys could probably see the time this time around compared to before, where you guys couldn't see the time. Let's say she has her hand kind of like this, and then also what else? What was scream out worker? And maybe if I look up pictures of a worker construction, yeah, like generic pictures of a construction worker, look up images, and then I could simply just decide what to put on her. Okay, a hat, that could be good. What else? Jacket maybe? Yeah, that works also. And the safety goggles or something. And I'll do that really quickly. So safety goggles would be like that. Simple. Kind of like if she's wearing glasses. I feel like I did them too high, so it's probably gonna be lower. This. Kind of looks like if she's wearing sunglasses or something like that. Obviously pulls back. This will be where her ears are and stuff. And her hair, I like to do this sort of thing where it's to simplify, just like do 2 lines and then wrap it around. Maybe she has like short hair or something like that, and not very stylized or anything like that. Let's say we got like 10 minutes still. What else other than the safety goggles or whatever? Glasses. Look at the images. Let's see, to make sure that they look more like glass, like safety glasses. Make sure to have some key features of it. Also, because of perspective, they actually do get smaller, not that much smaller, probably like that. And then those wrapped around the nose. Nose would be kind of like this. Nostrils. Make sure the nose is very noticeable. I would say do the usual drawings, the usual approach that I showed you for the eyes, but I'm trying to like do it really quickly. My approach is usually draw them with the mirror modifier on and stuff, but I'm trying to save up on some time, so I'm not gonna do that. And I'll clear out some of the edges. Oh, that's already looking a lot much cleaner than what it did before. The ear, I want it to be more noticeable that it's an ear. I don't want it to kind of blend in with everything. Okay, her hair, I want lines. Yeah, cherry lips. Oh wait, helmet. I want the helmet. So the helmet will be covering up half her hair, like we'll say. So it'll be kind of like that. What else? How much time we got? Like 8 minutes. Wow. I'm actually either drawing really fast or I am really getting improved. Okay, so helmet is this. Just for safety reasons. So obviously the front is gonna be a little bit bigger than the other portions of it, and I have it more of an angle. And does it have like, what's it called, little things around its ears? No, but it does have this thing that goes kind of downwards around it. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be something like that. Dark area around here. Obviously it's gonna have like marks. Kind of like if she's wearing a hat. But it's a safety hat this time around. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. What else? Her vest, I want to have like some sort of jacket, so I'm gonna do that. Just put jacket, really quick jacket. It's not gonna be perfect. How much time? 6 minutes. Jacket, yeah, that looks fine. I was gonna go downwards, but she also in the pictures they tend to have this thing. It's usually to be visible from like the distance and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Have that on her, and it's gonna have the lines right there and there, and that's gonna be completely wrapped around and somewhere there and there. And so all of this is gonna be like an orange. I'll color it orange later. Okay. Her hand is gonna be kind of down this time, because I noticed with the working guy, I noticed that he like the outfit that he was wearing, he wasn't wearing much. Didn't really say working person. It just had a hammer, so that didn't really tell me much about the character. I want this character to tell me a lot about it. So I'm gonna have the seams for the jacket. What else? The folds for the sweater thing that she's wearing. This, safety. You want to have something that is big, so it kind of clumps up on you and stuff. And also that allows it to what's it called? Not just clump up, but it allows it so then when you accidentally get even slightly scraped or something like that, it doesn't get like it doesn't damage you as much. So yeah, now that looks a lot better. Clumps. Just clumping it up, making it thicker. Okay, yeah. What else? I want. Now this, I have to do a different color, maybe darker blue. Let's see how much time we got. Like 4 minutes. So I'm gonna do just the outfit, and boom, and boom. Obviously, the outfit has to go further, so it's more like that, and that. I'm doing like very rough lines because it folds and stuff, the outfit, and it gets crimpled up and stuff. And this is more something that gets wrapped around the body, as you can see in this one right here. It also gets split right in the center, or you can have it open, but I'd rather not have it open. So I have it split right in the center. And it's gonna be wrapping this way. pumping up right there, and then that pumping up right there. Obviously having the area where it goes down. What else? This and then that and that. I don't want to have it block out some of the hand. Pumps out the jacket. And teams for the jacket. And sweater is gonna be kind of thick, especially around where it clumps up and stuff. This gonna be mainly thick around that area and stuff. Put it right here too. How much time we got? Like 2 minutes. So let's do. I'm trying to do like very rough shapes so you can kind of tell what's going on without it being too distracting. And I want this jacket to have like the little strings. And I want the strings to be kind of folded to the body a little. Not too much though. What the strings attached into the wrong spot. And little knobs and stuff, because that's how it avoids it going in too much. Maybe this thicker area. Okay, erase some of this. How much time we got? Like 2 minutes or something. I'm gonna finish up the jacket really quickly because that's the important part for me personally. That's what I care mostly about, just finishing up the jacket and the safety outfit and stuff. The face and everything like that can stay the way it is with that same sort of sketchy look. Okay, and this hand is gonna be like that. Boom, and knock it out like that. Put some shadow on it. Does not matter too much. And maybe he has her hand in her pocket of her actual jacket. This is gonna be kind of like that, and that's gonna cut out right there. And then this is gonna be the jacket and or her pants. So quickly add another layer, bring it underneath. Let's see, we got less than a minute. So yellow, I want yellow, really bright yellow, and then I'm gonna take this and pass it over to here, through there, a very bright yellow. I think the time's almost up. Erase some of this, erase some of that, erase some of this area. And how much time we got? Oh, time's up. I'm surprised I didn't hear it though. So I'm gonna go overtime this time around, and like I said in one of my previous videos, when I do overtime, it's gonna be a time lapse. So let's get started with overtime. Time lapse.
two are getting rough. My mind just sounds like Shia LaBeouf. It says no, 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 no. Just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Shia LaBeouf, it says no, 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 no. Just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you did like it, leave a like and comment down below. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike and also comment down below, because I do check either one. And I do check my comments every day, and I will respond to you if you do comment or dislike it, or you know, just respond in the overall general manner. If I like your comment, I will like it, or you know, heart it or whatever, and I will more than likely check out your channel, depending whether I see that you also do the same sort of field. Anyways, there should be a video about me, like I'm gonna take off my hat, this is really annoying. Guess this is what happens when you eat, you can't think. Okay. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video and you want to leave a like, feel free. And if you disliked it and you want to leave a comment down below why you disliked it and you feel so hard about it, then leave a comment down below. I'll comment back on both likes or dislikes and stuff like that. Well, obviously I won't know if you liked it, but I will know that someone liked it, and I will really appreciate that. Also, my channel will be right here. If you're new to the channel, you will also see it there, or if you're old to the channel, you will still see it there. And there should be a video right above me showing you my latest content, besides this one, obviously, which will be either the day before this one or later on in the future, the latest content. And what else? Oh, I'll appreciate if you guys don't I'm not saying that you particularly did this, but I'm not sure who, like the name or anything about the other person, but I did receive a comment that was kind of it just gave me a time code, was confused, then it also gave me a link. Did not appreciate the link when it sent me to a website that's not really appropriate for YouTube standards. Anyways, if you guys would out there would not do that, I would really appreciate it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye. You're still here? Oh, I'll wait a little.